Hello friends, my name is Dr. Rafiq Dar, your brain coach. Friends, today I'm going to explain a secret behind real motivation. Have you ever experienced motivation while listening any motivational speaker? But that level of motivation is just temporary. You know why? Because motivation is not only a psychological process. It's not a social process. It is actually a biological neuroscientific process. And let me explain you. If you want to have real motivation, let me explain you. Motivation is a brain process actually. And brain is like a machine because it is working 24 by 7 even till you are alive. Alive, I mean. So, and if this is a machine, you need fuel for that. And food is the fuel. I mean, food is the basic secret for the motivation. Because for motivation, you need a cocktail of the neurochemicals. Otherwise, you will not get a good level of motivation because it's a brain process and brain process needs a kind of fuel and food is the fuel actually. So here I will be going to explain how you can achieve a good level of motivation through foods. For motivation, you need three important chemicals to take a good level of motivation. And I will be explaining step by step. And there are three steps and three neurochemicals. The first step is that if you want to achieve a good level of motivation, you need to clear the mind. I mean, your mind should be, your brain should be clear. There should be clarity. There should be no brain fogging. There should be no oxidants indeed. While the brain is working, I'm explaining the first level. While the brain is working, it is going to produce toxic chemical and these are called oxidants. So these oxidants must be expelled from your brain. And for that, you need antioxidant. So first level of chemical you need is antioxidant if you want to make a mental clarity. And the most important antioxidant is the omega-3 fatty acid. So if you're not having omega-3 fatty acid, you will have a kind of brain fogging, burdenized kind of brain, and you will be unable to go for the next level. And next level is the focus, planning, observation. So if you are taking a good level of omega-3 that is mostly present in the fish, walnuts, dry fruits, almonds, and in addition to that, you also need a good level of hydration. I mean, if you're not taking water properly and adequately, your brain will be burdenized. And water is also a good antioxidant. So an adult, there should be around 10 to 12 glass of water per day. So if you are doing that and you are taking good level of omega-3 fatty acid, your mental clarity will be okay. So when you will have a mental clarity, then there is a need of observation, focus, and planning. And for that, you need a chemical that is called as acetylcholine. If you're not having good level of acetylcholine, you will be unable to observe, focus, and plan. And I mean, set the targets. So you need a good level of acetylcholine. Only one food here I would recommend. That is the eggs. Eggs contain good level of choline, and choline is required to synthesize acetylcholine. So if you are taking one egg daily, that will be sufficient to make a good level of acetylcholine. That will giving you good observation, focus, and if you will have a good focus, you will be able to plan the targets. And next level is to achieve the target. And that for that you need a dopamine, the third level and third chemical, because dopamine is giving you the energy to execute the things. So if you are having a food which can boost the dopamine level, that will be great. And let me share you very cheaper foods that can boost good level of dopamine. I mean, dopamine, you can have chickpeas. You are having chickpeas on routine basis, that will increase the dopamine. And in addition to that, if you are having almonds, walnuts, they have also good level of dopamine. So if you are maintaining three levels, I mean, mental clarity level with antioxidant, omega-3 fatty acid, the next level is level of focus, and this is achieved by the good level of acetylcholine through eggs. The third level is the dopamine you can achieve through chickpeas and other things, walnuts, almonds. So if you have a kind of cocktail of these three chemicals, let me tell you, you will be having a good level of motivation. And once again, let me tell you, motivation is not through talks, it's through food. I hope you got the idea, but still, if you have any question, please do write me in the comment section and definitely I will answer. Thank you.